How to change your Klarna phone number. Need to change your phone number? This guide shows you how you can change your Klarna phone number so you can keep your account information up to date. First, you'll need to log into your Klarna account with your email addresses instead of your phone number. You can do this by tapping on the Login with Email option on the login page. This will give you an access to your account settings. When you're logged in, go to your Profile section in the top left corner, where the wallet is placed. Then go to Account Info and Addresses. You'll see your current phone number. Tap on it to edit it. You'll be asked to enter a new phone number. You'll then receive a verification code to your phone number. You can also add another phone number right here. Enter the verification code to confirm your phone number. Once you've confirmed, your Klarna account will be updated. You now can use your new phone number to log into your account and receive all your notifications. It is a great way to keep your account information up to date. You now know how to change your Klarna phone number. Get ready to keep your account information up to date. Like and subscribe for more financial tips.